Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add SUI Network to MetaMask. So integrating the SUI Network into your MetaMask wallet enhances your ability to manage SUI assets and interact with SUI-based decentralized applications. This integration is achieved through MetaMask snaps, which are modular extensions that enable MetaMask to support non-EVM or Ethereum virtual machine blockchains like SUI. So, steps to add SUI Network to MetaMask is if you haven't already, then you have to install the MetaMask extension for your browser and then open MetaMask and confirm it's updated to the latest version to support snaps functionally. And then after that, just visit the official SUI MetaMask snap page on the MetaMask snap directory. So you just have to search it on your Google Chrome or Safari, and then click on this first link to come up. And then now just click the Add to MetaMask button, and then MetaMask will prompt you to review the permissions requested by the SUI snap. And then after reviewing, you just have to confirm the installation to integrate the SUI snap into your MetaMask wallet. Now, once installed, the SUI snap will guide you through creating a new SUI account or importing an existing one. So you have to ensure that you securely back up any seed phrases or private keys provided during this process. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!